You've likely spent years studying English, buying the textbooks, and completing the courses, only to find yourself freezing during a real conversation. When asked a simple question, you might still find yourself stuck on basic one-word answers. We are going to change that by the end of this lesson. Together, we will draft a complete, advanced-level response that replaces those short replies with a structured, professional answer. This shift relies on a specific framework called the R+S formula. It is the same mental map that native speakers use to organize their thoughts on the fly. Grab a pen and paper so you can build your own script as we go. We'll use this practice prompt. Why do you think people like to travel to different places in their free time? Speaking with fluency requires a reliable mental structure that allows you to deploy your existing vocabulary with confidence and speed. Step 1 is building the reason sandwich to frame your entire answer. This structure uses two buns. The introduction statement connects your thoughts directly to the listener's question, while the summary statement at the end signals that you've finished your point. For your top bun, write, "In my opinion, there are 3 reasons why." Then for the bottom bun, write, "These are the 3 reasons why I think." Leave a large blank space between those 2 sentences on your paper. That is where we will build the core of your response. Using these clear bookends lets your listener know your thoughts are organized, which makes your English sound much more professional and controlled. Now, in step 2, we fill the middle of that sandwich with 3 distinct reasons. A common mistake is giving naked reasons, like saying it's good without explaining why. To speak at an advanced level, you must follow every reason with at least one supporting detail sentence. For our travel example, my first reason is to experience new cultures. I support that by adding, when people travel, they learn about the food and clothing of different countries. The second reason is that people want a change of scenery. The detail, many people get tired of city life and want to see more nature. Finally, the third reason is the desire to explore. The detail, adventurous people enjoy the thrill of seeing exciting new places. On your own paper, fill in that blank space with 3 reasons and 1 supporting detail for each. This habit of systematically backing up your opinions prevents nervous rambling and keeps your explanation focused. We have the R for reasons. Now we move to the S for story. While your reasons show logic, your stories create a personal connection with your listener. To keep an anecdote from getting confusing, you should follow this 6-part story checklist. It ensures your story stays relevant and engaging. For my example, the basic story is a hiking trip in South Korea. The background is a vacation with friends, and the characters are myself and 5 others. We wanted to get away from the city, so we rented a van and headed for the mountains. The climax of the story was hiking one of the highest peaks for 7 hours, including climbing 700 steep stairs to the top. The conclusion was finally seeing those amazing views, and the lesson learned was realizing how beautiful South Korea truly is. Use these 6 elements to map out a quick travel memory of your own right now. This structure keeps you in control of the narrative, moving your listeners smoothly from the setup to the final meaning. Step 4 is merging these 2 parts into one unified response. To transition, finish your summary statement and then pivot by saying, "Personally, I also enjoy," and go straight into your story. Look at the length of the script you've just created. This is a comprehensive, multi-paragraph response that covers both logical points and personal experiences. This powerful combination of structured evidence and personal storytelling truly mimics the communication style of advanced, fluent speakers. You've just transformed a simple question into a deep, organized response. You have the evidence right there on your paper. Remember this core formula. R, the 3 reasons inside a sandwich, plus S, your 6-part story. Your first challenge is to read your script out loud 3 times. Do this to get used to the vocal rhythm of speaking at length. Next, pick a new topic, like what is your favorite food, and build a brand new R plus S response from a blank page. Developing this level of organization is a specific skill that you can now practice and replicate whenever you need to speak.